Some of you will feel that this is easy until you try it. Welcome back to my channel. We are here to find the values of x. Let's do it together. Now, this is how to solve this so that you don't get stuck on the way to your answer, to finding your solution. Don't mind me. So, I'm being so unserious right now. Now I'm serious. Let's go. The first thing we need to do is, you will notice something. This is like an obstacle. This square, this 3 here. So first of all, let's remove it. Let's know what we are seeing and what we are not seeing. So to remove this, we are going to multiply both sides by 3. Okay? So let's multiply both sides by 3. So we are going to have 3 multiplied by 9 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x divided by 3 is equal to 15 multiplied by 3. Then this and this goes. Now we know that we have 9 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x is equal to 15 multiplied by 3 is 45. That is the first step. Now, before we go to the next step, please hit the subscription button so that you don't forget, because I'm sure you're going to gain value from this. So you're watching to the end. Yeah, I know. So hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss my videos. Anytime you see my notification, hurry and come and watch my videos. Okay? I love comments, so comment. Tell me what you feel about the video. I will be there reading in the comment section. And always tune in at your convenience. You must see something new to watch by God's grace. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at it, you can see that we can put 9 in this 3, right? Because 9 is 3 squared. So let's go ahead and do that. So 9 is 3 squared. Good. Now, the next thing we need to do is, when you have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, is the same thing as a raised to the power of m times n. I'll be raising this because I need space. Therefore, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 3 to the power of x is equal to 45. So now, recall that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n using law of exponents. Yeah. Therefore, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2x plus x is equal to 45. So we have 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 45. We are looking for x, and you can see that this is what the index. There is no way we are going to find this except to bring it down. And the only way this x comes down, the only thing it will respect is if we put this in log. Okay, so let's put both sides of this equation in log. So we are going to have log 3 to the power of 3x is equal to log 45. Now recall that log a raised to the power of m is same thing as m multiplied by log a. Yes, therefore we are going to bring this down. Remember I said it needs to come down before we can solve it. So now we can bring it down using this law. Have you subscribed? Yes. If you have not, please kindly do that so that you don't forget. If not, this might be the last time you will see my face. So we have this, remember? So this 3x comes down. We have 3x log 3 is equal to log 45. Now I can clean this. I just want to be sure my mic is still on. Now remember we are looking for x, so we can divide both sides of this equation by log 3. So we have 3x log 3 divided by log 3 is equal to log 45 divided by log 3. Therefore, the most interesting aspect of this video is where I proved that the answer we got is correct. So watch to the end and see how we proved that answer. Okay, now we go ahead. Log 3 will divide itself. We have 1. 1 times 3x is 3x is equal to log. Now let's express 45 as 9 times 5 divided by log 3. So we have 3x is equal to log 9 plus log 5. Yes, that is because log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Okay? Therefore, we have 3x will be equal to log 9 plus log 5. Now, everything divided by log 3. So we can write this as 3x is equal to log 9. Now let's distribute the denominator, right? Log 9 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Now, this is getting more interesting. Trust me. It is getting more interesting. So, this is what we have here. So, we have 3x is equal to 9 is 3 to the power of 2. So, we have log 3 squared divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Now, 3x is equal to, this 2 comes down, and we have 2 log 3 divided by log 3 is plus log 5 divided by log 3. Now, log 3 will divide itself to give us 1. So, what we now have is 3x is equal to 2 plus this. Okay? 3x is equal to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Now, by use of change of base, so if we use change of base, we will have 3x is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3, because log A divided by log B is equivalent to log A base B. So that's why I wrote this as log 5 base 3. Now remember that we are looking for the value of x and not the value of 3x. Therefore, we can write that 3x is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3. Now, if we divide both sides by 3, because we are looking for the value of x, if we divide both sides by 3, we are going to have x is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3. And this becomes the value of our x. Now, to the most interesting aspect of this video, which is, let us check if this is right. How can you tell me that x is 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3? Let's check if that is true. Now let's prove it. So let's verify. We have 9 to the power of x. Our x is 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3 is equal to 15. We are checking. We are not yet sure. Now remember, all these are divided by 3. Oh, we're going to need a lot of space. We're going to need a lot of space. So let me do it. So now we are going to have 9 is 3 to the power of 2. So we have 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3. Okay? Then multiply by 3 to the power of 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3. Everything divided by 3. Now, is this equal to 15? Now, if you look at this, we are almost at the end of this journey. What did you notice? We have, if we say, let A be equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3. If we say, let this becomes A, it means what we have here is 2A and what we have here is A. All right? Therefore, we can make use of this particular law of exponent that states that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay? Therefore, this will be 3 to the power of 2a. We say let this be a. Multiplied by 3 to the power of this is a. Meaning we can bring them together, right? As 3 to the power of 2a plus a. Okay? Which will give us 3 to the power of 3a. So that is exactly what I'm going to write now as a numerator. So, but instead of a, I'm going to write this. Therefore, I will have 3 to the power of 3. This is brackets, right? 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3. Now, everything divided by 3. Now, is this equal to 15? Let's move forward. Hope you have subscribed. Don't forget to do that so that I don't forget my face. So now we have 3 to the power of 3. This 3 can go into this, right? Because this is multiplying the bracket. So this and this we go. We are left with 3 to the power of 2 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 3 is equal to 15. Now remember that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Therefore, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 5 base 3. Everything divided by 3. Now, is this equal to 15? Moving forward, we have, recall that a to the power of log b base a is always equal to b. As long as this base and this are the same, or is the same, then this is b, okay? So what we'll do is this. We are going to have 3 squared is 9, right? So we have 9 multiplied by, then this, because this and this are the same, we are going to have 5 here. So multiplied by 5 divided by 3. Now, is this equal to 15? Now, 3 will go into 9 3 times. And we have 3 times 5 to be 15. And you can see that 15 is equal to 15. That proves that the answer is correct. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.